Hey guys, I'm gonna play Floppy Bird today, and if you just saw that, that's the app I'm recording this off of. Okay, start Floppy Bird. I'm bad at this. Whoa, that sucked. This is getting annoying already. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh, that sucked. Not even past the first two. I'm trying to get to at least past three. At least three! Finally! Okay, I'm gonna try and go like a champ this time. No! Whoa! Aw, dang, why did I have to talk? What the? Hold on. Oh! I just saw that first thing go whoa, whoa, way up here. And, oh, dang it. Go way up here and drop. And go up. Hi!
Hi.
Now my baby sister's in here. Hold on. Okay, so now my 2-year-old sister's here, and she wants to watch me play, so you might hear some stuff. Say hi, Tail.
Hi.
Ah, dang it. I know, I lost. How depressing is that? Whoa! Whoa! Dang nabbit!
What, May?
What?
Yeah.
What's a min? Oh! Okay, bye.
Bye.
Whoa, I'm actually getting a little better at this. Never mind. You can't open the door?
Yeah.
Here. Okay, so.
No.
Ah! Okay. I'm recording this on Mobizen. I'll show you after this video. So. Dang it. No! Okay, I'm gonna at least get past 6. Ah, crap. My goal is at least 6. Or 8. My goal is 8. Okay, so. Ah, 5. Flippin' 5. All these are close. Ah, flippin' 5. Why 5? Oh, it's only 5. Failure flop 5. Failure 5. 5 failures. Actually, there's only 1 failure. That's me. Oh. I haven't been making videos in a while. Oh, crap. Why? Whoa. That sucks. Past 5. Oh, I got 8 at least. Okay, one more, and I'm going to show you what I'm recording this off of. So you have to get there. One more. This is addicting, but hard. Okay. So it's Mobizen. Go to Play Store or whatever it's called, Google Play, whatever it is. Type in Mobizen. What the heck? What the heck? Okay. Go there. There it is. Screen recorder. The Life Mobizen, the Life Hub Mobizen game screen recorder. There's this stuff. I'll show you all the video. Okay. Just wait a second. Here it is. Oh, what the? Okay. I'm turning off the video. The Life Hub. Okay, now I press install. Here, I'm just gonna go home, go to it, and it says all this stuff, and just it says, what is it? Oh, it says record screen. You have to make a password. Ew, what is on your finger? Oh, ew, go put that, go wash your hands. Go wash your hands, Sarah, go wash your hands, okay. And that's it for today. Maybe I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.